Hi everyone, my name is Michael Miller and I'm one of the senior writing mentors for ASU. Today I wanted to share some tips and tricks on hosting weekly synchronous workshops around course themes. First, having an option where students can join you synchronously or in the moment in online classes can be a really meaningful experience. Besides interacting on the discussion boards and hosting writing workshops twice a semester, a weekly workshop is a great way to encourage students to interact with you and the course material in a fresh way. Second, feel free to invite your instructor to participate in these workshops. It's a lot more fun when you have another content expert to help you answer questions. Plus, you can get immediate feedback on the workshops. But don't worry if your schedule doesn't match up with your instructor. You can always host these by yourself and send the recording to your instructor for feedback. Okay, so to set up the workshops, the first thing you'll want to do is to create a weekly outline with the topics you'd like to cover based on the course content. I looked for major themes in each week of the course calendar and created a topic based on what I've seen students struggle with the most. Next, I create a basic outline of the ideas I want to cover about each topic and then move those ideas into a PowerPoint presentation. Don't forget to include multimodal elements like pictures to your slideshow to set a good example for our students. Next, I created a new Adobe Connect meeting room specifically for these workshops. I do not give microphone access to attendants to avoid background distraction, but I do encourage them to type questions in the comments box during the presentation. Next, I upload my PowerPoint into the Adobe Connect, and I'm all ready. Each week, I send out a reminder email to my instructional group with a date, time, topic, and link to join. I also let them know that there is an Adobe Connect app that they can download on their smartphone to join remotely, watch the presentation, and type questions into the chat box. The presentations themselves are typically 30 to 40 minutes long, which gives us about 20 to 30 minutes to discuss the material and allow students to ask questions about the presentation or general questions about the course and assignments. Finally, I make a recording and make it public. I post it in the Blackboard course shell for students to view who couldn't attend the workshop. On average, these recordings get anywhere between 15 and 30 views, which is equal to or greater than the number of writing workshop participants. This means I can reach even more students with the important material. Please let me know if you have any questions about creating synchronous weekly workshops. Happy hosting!